Let me show you how to create this easy Photoshop trick. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the image layer. Go to Select and choose Subject, add a layer mask. Now choose the Type tool and write your text. Press Ctrl T and scale it while holding the Shift button. Drag this layer under the image layer. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Drag this layer over the image layer. Reduce the fill to 0%. Go to Layer Style and choose Stroke. Follow these settings. Right-click here and choose Convert to Smart Object, and click here to create a clipping mask. Hold Shift and select the text layer. Click on this link to link them together. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Support my channel by buying my courses, templates, and Photoshop presets. Link in the description. Also check out other tutorials on my channel. Thank you for your support.